Today we will see how to decorate a red velvet cake in just 15 minutes. Do like and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Here I have taken red velvet sponge. We'll cut it into 3 layers. Check that all the layers are cut into the same sizes. So here I have taken cream cheese frosting, in which I have added around 50 grams of cream cheese and 100 grams of whipped cream, and then I have whipped it. Now using an offset spatula, we'll equalize the cream. The first layer is now done. Now we'll go for the second layer. So we'll repeat the same procedure for the second layer also. The second layer is also done. Now for the third layer, we'll equalize the sides first and then we'll go for the upper layer. For instance, we'll just roughly apply the cream and then we'll keep it into the refrigerator for around 10 to 15 minutes so that all the crumbs get settled nicely. Now this is settled and I have applied another layer to it, and now I am using the cake comb to do the required design. For this you just have to keep your cake comb in a desired direction and you just have to turn the round table. Once the sides are done, we'll go for the upper layer, we'll flatten it. So here I had kept some cake crumbs. These we'll use to garnish the bottom of the cake. Almost the finishing is done. Now I have taken a star nozzle. With this we'll draw flowers. And then sprinkle some golden sprinkles over it. Red velvet cake is ready.